Hey everybody, Zorb58 here, and today I want to talk with you about something very important, and that is the Windows Phone back button. Now this is important because Paul Thurrott recently reported on his super site for Windows that the back button functionality could become optional for future Windows Phone devices, meaning it wouldn't exist on future Lumias, presumably, seeing as Microsoft now will be making Lumias as they've bought out Nokia. But anyways, I think it's a really, really bad idea because developers would have to rewrite every app to add a little back button in the corner. Not only is that very, very time consuming and probably wouldn't happen because a lot of developers have left Windows Phone or aren't really active in the community, but that's just ugly. That's not what Metro was meant to do. Metro was supposed to have the most clean interface, none of those extra little back buttons, extra little gutters at the top like iOS has. But anyways, I've been thinking about it ever since Paul wrote the article, which I have linked to in the description. I've been thinking about it, and I thought, you know what? There is kind of a good way that my gripes could be overcome. So let me show you what I mean. Obviously, I can't show you because it doesn't exist right now. But for instance, the Weather Channel, where you have to go into a page to look at the forecast and use the back button to go out of it. Well, the only way that without a back button I can think of, and without adding the little back button in the corner like Windows 8, that we could do this is you go into a page, right, and it loads everything, and then you swipe from the left edge of the screen over to the right, and it brings up the last page. That would be awesome, and it would be cohesive with Windows 8 to a certain degree. Obviously, they'd have to change some stuff because that's a swiping of an app. But, I don't know, it brings it closer to Windows 8, and it's just really cool and very Metro-y. So, I don't know, tell me what you think in the comments. Obviously, right now it just switches between the forecast things. But if you swipe all the way from the edge, it could bring up the previous page. I don't know, let me know what you think of in the comments or any other ideas you have, because I really don't want that back button to go away. But if it does have to, that would be my option. Thanks, see you later.